Hey folks, in this video we're going to be talking about simplifying rational expressions. And all a rational expression is it's just a fraction. So, in order to do this, there are three steps. You must factor the top and the bottom. You must cancel common factors. And you also must state what the excluded values are using the factored form of the ratio before you canceled. Now, you may be wondering what exactly is an excluded value. Well, an excluded value is a value of the variable for which the expression is undefined. So in other words, when does the bottom equal 0? Alright, so here is a very basic example. It's already simplified. Okay, it's already factored, meaning you can't simplify it any further. There's nothing to cancel. So I must find the excluded values. So I'm just going to set the bottom equal to 0. Okay, so subtract 7 from both sides, divide by 4, and we find that our excluded value is that x cannot equal negative 7/4. Okay, that's all there is to finding excluded values. Now, of course, most of our problems are not going to be this simple. Most of them are going to look something like this, where we have to factor first. Well, of course, I don't really care how you factor, okay, as long as you get your groups correctly. So, what I did was I went ahead and factored. Okay, I chose to do mine in line versus the box or the X. That way there's no debate there. The numbers that would go in the corners of my box in this case were 1 and 6 because 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, and a factor of 6 that adds the other to give me 7 are 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay, now the top, numbers that multiply together to give me negative 15, add together to give me negative 2, are positive 3 and negative 5. Now, to simplify this, I could just cancel out the x plus 3's. So my simplified expression is x minus 5 over 2x plus 1. Okay, that's all there is to the simplifying process. Now, some will be more difficult to factor, but that's the general idea. However, we must list our excluded values. So, we've factored, we've canceled, now it's time to list the excluded values. Now I have to go back to this expression here, and I'm going to set each of these on bottom equal to 0. So, okay, again using method of your choice, we'll get x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 1/2. Although that's kind of a misnomer because really x can't equal those. Okay, so our simplified expression is x minus 5 over 2x plus 1. And the values that x cannot be are negative 1/2 and negative 3. Okay? And that's all for this video. Have a good day.